Good morning. I'm here to present before you the most awaited video of how to prepare Applied Maths 2 Part 2. In Part 1, we have already discussed about Unit 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And in this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 1, which is multivariable calculus, and Unit 5th, which is complex integration. So, let's start. So unit first is multivariable calculus. It is actually multivariable integration. It has been divided into two parts. Part first is multiple integration. The topics are, the first topic is evaluation of double integrals. Evaluation of double integrals in Cartesian and polar coordinates. And the second is evaluation of triple integrals in Cartesian coordinates only. And the next topic is, it is very important topic. Do remember, it is change of order of integration in double integration, and you have to prepare only Cartesian coordinates. And next is area enclosed by plane curves. So we have to find out area using double integration in Cartesian coordinates only. And next topic is volume, to find volume of solids using triple integration only. So this is all about multiple integration. And the second part of unit first is vector integration. Vector integration, we have to prepare line, surface, and volume integration. And next, we have to prepare three most important theorems: Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, and Gauss divergence theorem. Without proof, we have to find out its applications. And to prepare unit 1 from higher engineering mathematics by B.S. Grewal, you have to practice 7.1 for double integration and change of order of integration. And we have to solve only Cartesian questions. Next exercise is to find area for Cartesian curves. You have to solve 7.2. And for triple integration, and you have to solve Cartesian only, so you have to prepare 7.3. And to find volume using triple integration, you have to solve Cartesian curves only. For this, the exercise is 7.4. And for your MCQs on above topic, you have to solve 7.10. So from 7.10, you have to prepare selected topics. And next, for vector integration from higher engineering mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal, you have to prepare 8.6 for line integral, and you have to do examples only, since theorems are more important. Then for surface integration, you have to prepare 8.7. For Green's theorem, you prepare 8.8. For Stokes theorem, you have to prepare 8.9. And for volume integration and Gauss divergence theorem, you have to prepare 8.10. And for your MCQs on above topic, you have to prepare 8.13. So this is all about unit first, which is multivariable calculus or multivariable integration. And our last unit is unit fifth, which is complex integration. So for complex integration, we have to prepare contour integrals, Cauchy's theorem without proof, and Cauchy's integral formula. Then series, Laurent series and Taylor series. Then we have to prepare zeros of analytic function, singularities, residues, Cauchy residue theorem. And then evaluation of real definite integration, integration around unit circle, and integration around small semicircle. So to prepare fifth unit from higher engineering mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal, you have to solve 20.5 for complex integration examples. So this is very important topic. Next is 20.6 for Cauchy's integral formula, then 20.7 for Lorentz series, 20.8 for residue theorem. 20.8 is also very important, and 20.9 integration around unit circle only. So from 20.9 you have to prepare only one topic, and that is integration around unit circle. And for your MCQs you have to prepare 20.10. So how to prepare all these? So I've already told you, you have to watch video lectures, then you have to prepare notes, and you have to collect PDF, then you have to watch the videos again to build up your concepts, then you have to practice similar solved examples and questions, and don't forget to solve your question bank. And last but not the least, don't forget to ask your doubts. So this is all about how to prepare applied maths 2. Thank you.